Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Today is going to be a very cozy video because we are finally decorating for autumn. Although it is a very hot day today, I think it's about 25 degrees. We are just going to pretend that the cozy fall vibes have already arrived because I cannot wait any longer. Today is September 8th. It is a Sunday, so I do have a couple of hours off and baby free, so I do have some time to start decorating the apartment. Now, some side notes to my home. First of all, I have a dog, so there's a lot of hair, there's a lot of dog toys everywhere. Second, I have a 17-month-old son, so there's also a lot of toys in the apartment. And then I also own Oak Candle Company, which is my own brand of homemade home fragrances. So that also takes up a lot of space in the apartment. So I just wanted to put out that little disclaimer so that you don't think that we are hoarders. I try to keep it as minimal and as organized as possible, but sometimes you have to work with the space that you have. So yeah, but if you guys know me, you know that I love the Burr months. I live for this time of year. I love all the cozy vibes. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is everything that we have to work with today. Yesterday I put everything on the table. I have a lot of new items this year. So let's go over it really quickly. This guy is new. I bought this off Next, which is it is a British store, I think, but they ship to Europe. Then these are my new autumn candles. I also make room sprays. So these are the candles that I decided to keep for myself. We have a book lover candle. We have I will say anything for a cup of coffee, which is a Gilmore Girls quote. And then we also have Breathe In Folks Smells Like Fall. Again, a Gilmore Girls candle. We have the Hey There Pumpkin candle. And then I also have a hot apple cider wax melts, which I already started using. And then, as I do every year, I purchased some Nespresso pumpkin spice cake flavored pots. These are absolutely delicious. So I'm going to make myself a coffee later on. All of these little guys are from Action. I have accumulated these over the past years. I have these two signs which are new and they are also from my online store. I have this little wax melter which is again from my online shop. My mugs, these are from Anthropology. This is one from my online shop that I sell as a candle. This is also from Anthropology. And then this one I purchased from Next. This sign I got in Canada a couple of years ago. Then I also purchased a new book to read. I heard this is very cozy, so I cannot wait to read it. The cover itself is already very beautiful. Then from Next, I also picked up two little outfits for my son. So we have this little t-shirt that says Little Pumpkin, and then also a pajama with pumpkins all over it. I think this is so adorable. I cannot wait to see him in these. Then I got these two pumpkins from Casa, which is a local decor store. This cushion is from Next as well. This little poster, which I got from the poster store. This is from Anthropology, I think. The Garden Center. Then I also got a few towels. These are from Action. Then I think I got these in Canada as well. Then I also got these little faux flower things from Casa as well. So that is everything that we have to work with today, but I did already get started on my posters. So I added this one, which is also from Poster Store, and I think it looks so freaking adorable. And then I also changed out these to match the autumn decor, and these are also from Poster Store. But let's go ahead and start off with this area, which is like my coffee corner. I want to add a few autumn touches here as well. So this is what the coffee area is looking like right now. I absolutely love it. Now let's tackle this little area of the kitchen. Alright, now that the kitchen is done, I'm going to make myself a coffee. But since it is hot today, I'm going to make myself an iced latte. More specifically, an iced pumpkin spice vanilla latte. Let me show you how I make that. Honestly, this recipe is chef's kiss. So I use 1 shot of the pumpkin spice cake by Nespresso. I do 1 to 2 pumps of vanilla syrup. Then I add my vegan vanilla milk, some ice cubes, then of course the coffee shot, and then sometimes I add a little bit of cinnamon spice on top of it, which makes it even better. Also, these cups, I got them from Action. They are not meant to look like a pumpkin, but in my opinion, they are a little bit polished and they remind me of a pumpkin, so yeah. So now the next thing I want to do is this area of the kitchen right here. This is the next part of the living room that I want to tackle. First things first, I'm going to add my hot apple cider wax melts into my wax melter over there. These smell so good. It's like cozy, warm autumn. It's just amazing. So I'm going to turn this one on. Then I also would like to add this somewhere. Honestly, this looks adorable and I love this little sign right here. Again, you can purchase this on my online shop, but I just think it looks so freaking cozy. By the way, I got these this year as well. I used them for my oak photo shoot, but again, I just think it looks so autumnal and beautiful. So this is what this area looks like. So far, so good. Now let's move on to this side of the living room area. So as I mentioned, that's for my small business, so ignore that mess. Also, there's probably a lot of fingerprints on the windows and stuff like that. Also ignore that. By the way, this is my background of my television. I like to add something like seasonal in the background, especially whenever I'm home alone. It just adds to the cozy vibes and I just love it. This has some jazz music on it, but since I don't want to get copyrighted, I did mute it, but normally this has like jazz playing in the background and it is just so cozy. Alright, so this is everything that we have left to work with. We're almost there. This is a bag that I bought for Jack for his like Halloween treats. So I'm just going to put this in the closet for now. I already put his little autumn outfits in the washer, and then also the towels. I'm going to wash them first before adding them to the home. I did, however, add this one over here, but again, I still need to wash it. It's a little bit dirty. Then I forgot all about the wax melter, so I think I'm going to move this pumpkin in our fruit bowl for now, and then put the little wax melter next to it. So you put a little tea light underneath, and then you put your wax on top. So I think this looks absolutely adorable. Let's see. Yeah, that is really cute. Then I have this sweater weather spray from Bath and Body Works that I picked up a couple of years ago. I'm going to put that over here. Then these pumpkins I'm going to add in the corner of our living room. So over here. Then the Hello Autumn sign I'm going to put in front of this, I think. Let's see. Alright, I am completely done. There's fall vibes all over the apartment and I am not complaining. So let's do a quick little tour of what we did today. Starting in the middle of the living room, as you can see, there is a mess of my baby over there. But this is what this area looks like. I love these stems. I think they add such a fall vibe to the room. I love it. And then we move over to the kitchen area. I just love the way this looks. Absolutely beautiful. Moving on to the kitchen, we added a few little pieces here and there, but nothing too crazy. And then this is the cozy coffee area. I love the way this looks. By the way, I got these new dispensers. I think I got them from Amazon. They are so beautiful. Then we have these two little pumpkins over here. We have this beautiful display in the middle of the table. Then again, a new poster and the beautiful cushion, some more new posters, some pumpkins over there. Then we also did this and added a few pumpkins next to the television. So that actually wraps up today's video. I'm not sure if it will be a long one or not. I don't think so. Decorating for autumn takes way less time than decorating for Christmas. But again, there's clutter all over my house. I have a baby, a small business, so that's just the way it is. But I still wanted to add some cozy autumn vibes anyways. So yeah, I really enjoyed filming today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as well, and I hope you got some inspiration from it. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.